Hello and welcome to another exciting release notes video from Velt. We're now on version 1.0.107 for the SDK and version 1.0.119 for the types library. All right, let's talk about the new features. First, we have a method to hide comments from users on specific locations. So what this means is if you have a couple location IDs that you don't want comments to appear visible to your users, you can use this method called client.exclude location IDs, and you can pass in an array of location IDs, and now comments on those specific location IDs will not appear visible to users. So this is great if you want to hide comments to those users on those specific locations. All right, on to the next feature. I'm going to talk about the next two features in series, and then I'm going to do a quick demo. So we now have a configuration to disable recording summaries, and we have a configuration to disable the recording countdown. So what exactly are those? Well, if I jump to this quick demo, I'm going to add a quick comment. And if you're familiar with our commenting feature, we have the option for you to record your voice, your camera, or your screen. And if you do a recording such as a voice recording, let me do a quick example. Velt is the best SDK for commenting and collaboration. So if you do a recording, we're going to auto summarize and transcribe what you said. For example, here we have a transcription and it summarizes what I said as Velt being the top SDK for commenting and collaboration, which is what I said. And if we view the transcription, we'll get a timestamp of exactly what I said. So if you want to disable this feature, it's enabled out of the box. But if you want to remove it for whatever reason, we have a way for you to do that. You just set recording summary to false, and then that won't appear, and you can streamline your UI. Also, if you noticed, we had that countdown feature that popped up in the beginning. If you want to remove this, because you just want your recording to happen right away, we can allow you to remove that as well. You just have to use this property recording countdown equals false, and then that will disappear. All right, on to the next features. We now have a method for you to remove the document ID. Some of our customers want to pause the Velt SDK, and in order to do so, you can just unset the document ID, and then all of the Velt features will cease to function. And the last feature I'm going to talk about is more file type support in comment attachments. So back in this demo, if I want to attach a file, I can do so. Before, we only had support for a couple of file types, but now we have support for a wide variety, including CSV, DocX, PowerPoint, Excel, MP4, etc. So you can now attach anything to your comments. And that has been this week's exciting Velt release notes video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next.